Hello, my name is METİN arkadaşlar. This is 347th part of explanation of my theory. Photon loses its mass only when electron becomes neutrino by reaching speed of light. But before this, why massless photon idea is wrong? First, wrong base. From time dilation, length contraction, related constant and source motion independent speed of light idea of Einstein. Gamma factor had found to compensate this. Second wrong base. Then gamma factor become a label attached to the classical physics formulas and concepts as mass is equal to gamma factor multiplied by at rest mass. Okay, but remember, I recommend to you, watch my previous videos, time dilation and length contraction, why these concepts are wrong. Speed of light is variable and speed of light is depends on its motion's velocity. I formulated. Now, then, gamma factor become a label attached to classical physics formulas and concepts as mass is equals to gamma. At rest mass is multiplied by gamma. According to me, in fact, there is no at rest mass, there is no at rest energy. Yes. And when Einstein's momentum equation with gamma collide with reality, result of this thinking is undefined, not infinite, undefined, mathematically, undefined. Be careful. This is why Einstein removed the mass from the photon. And this is why Einstein deduced that nothing can exceed or reach the speed of light. And that's why Einstein's momentum energy relation equation without mass is wrong, and in fact intrinsically, structurally, this equation is wrong equation because there is no rest mass according to me, as I told and as I showed you before. Whereas other side, now here, this is at rest electron, right side, electron motion form, but any imaginary point, photon, say photon, I defined photon inseparable every point on electron, cycling, it's gone. And it has mass, it has energy. Here, tangential speed component energy, say, and speed of light component energy, but I will not compute now this. Say 91.155 nanometer wavelength or radius. Here, at rest electrons point energy, photon energy at rest, but its point, its surface is not at rest. Photon is not at rest. It has mass. Finally, tangential speed, as I told you before, of a point photon is 6.28 times greater than the speed of light, faster than speed of light, 1,884,000 km per second. And Planck's constant is nothing but angular momentum. Then, what is energy, at rest energy of electron? Electron at rest, not relocating, but its surface and point on its in motion. Okay, cycling. Here, 13.69 volts. As I told you before, 1 volt is 10 multiplied by 10 to the minus 19 joules. Here, yes, at rest energy is 13.69 volts, but point energy is not at rest, like this. Then, if we apply this electron to accelerate it, say zero direction side, its wavelength in this direction will be narrowed and other side enlarged. Okay, I have formulas about that and I had shown you before. Okay, then here when we apply 10,000 volts, lambda minus delta lambda is equals to 1.248 nanometer. Here, kinetic energy, point energy, reach as tangential energy is 1000 volts. Here, at rest energy, 13.69 volts. Don't forget, according to me, volt is energy unit. I had shown you before. And here, when accelerates electron by 1000 volts, its energy the same, 1000 volts. And radically, there is no at rest mass and at rest energy, therefore there is no need to add at rest energy and kinetic energy. Thus, this momentum energy relation equation, relativistic equation, is wrong. And classical E total energy is equals to kinetic energy and at rest energy is wrong. Kinetic energy plus at rest energy is wrong. That's relativistic interpreted whatever. And